Good morning, kindergarten students. Today we are going to do our Chapter 7 review. We're going to use this page as our assessment for Chapter 7. So you're going to complete this page without your mom and dad helping. And I'm just going to talk you through the test. I'm not going to do it with you. So go ahead, grab your pencil, get page 185 and 186. It should say Chapter 7 Review 7.11 at the top. Go ahead and write your name at the top because you're going to send me a photo of this when you have it completed, okay? So for number 1, it says estimate, fill in the circle. So they want us to find a group of bowling balls that is more than 10. This is what a group of 10 looks like. I need to find a group that is more than 10. If it's this group here, I'll color in this dot. If it's this group here, I'll color in this dot. Please color in the dot under the group that is more than 10. All right, now we're going to go down to number 2. This time they show me a group of basketballs, and this group has 18. But they want me to color in a dot under a group that has less than 18. So here's what 18 looks like. I need to color in the dot of the group that is less than 18. Is this group less than 18 or is this group less than 18? Whichever answer is correct, color in the dot underneath. Just choose one, the number or the group rather that has less than 18. At the bottom of the page, we have number 3, 4, and 5. I want you to look at this carefully because in the past, I've had students who've confused this. So this is number 3. I'm going to just draw a line here. You don't need to do this, but I want to show you that there are 3 different questions here, okay? And I just drew a line to separate the questions and the answers. If you need that line there, go ahead and do it. All right, so for number 3, I need to figure out how many cubes there are. The green cubes is my group of 10. So I know this is a group of 10. And these colored cubes represent the extras. So count how many there are and circle the correct number. Is it 10, 12, or 15? Circle the number with your pencil, and then let's go to number 4. For number 4, I'm counting all the cubes in this row. Remember, the green represent my group of 10, okay? So I need to count how many cubes I have altogether and then circle the correct answer. Finally, at the bottom, I'm going to count how many cubes there are next to number 5. Remember, the green cubes represent my set of 10, and then I need to count the extras. So 10 plus however many extras gives me one of these numbers. Circle the correct answer, and then let's turn our page over. For this, what you're going to do is you're going to count how many cubes there are. Remember, these big, huge things here are a group of 10. So when you have a full set like this, you'll be counting by 10. So these here are all groups of 10. I'm going to count by 10s. All these guys here will be counted by 10. These ones here are my ones, this little group here. Here, all I have are 10s. So I'm just only going to be counting by 10s. I have no extras. I need to count how many there are here, write the number on the line, and then I need to count how many I have here and write the number on the line. Remember, however many 10s I have is the number I write first, however many 1s goes behind it. Okay. Now I'm going to come down to number 3. On number 3, they want me to count on 4. So I'm going to make 4 jumps, counting on 4, 1, 2, etc. But make sure you count on a total of 4. And then when I get there, I'm going to circle that number. I don't count until I make my jump. This is 1, okay? But I need to make 4 jumps, and then I need to circle the number. For this one, they want me to go back 3. So instead of going higher, I have to go backwards. My jumps will be backwards, and I'm going to make 3 jumps back and then circle the number I land on. For number 5, I have to fill in the numbers that are missing. So they've given me this number chart, and they have some numbers filled in, 20, 21, a number's missing here, 23, 24, 25, there's a number missing here. 27, 28, 29, the number's missing here. Then 31, 32, 33, 34. Complete both sides of this paper by yourself without your mom and dad helping, and then have your mom and dad scan or take a picture of both sides and send it to Mrs. Plowman. Good luck.